Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving one of the 10 days of JavaScript problems. Day 4, create rectangle object. So we're going to practice creating objects. What are JavaScript objects? Well, actually, it's not only isolated to JavaScript, but in any object-oriented programming language. Its objects are usually a group of characteristics or qualities. It could be, sometimes some languages allow you to include behavior within that object. I think all languages do that, but just in case, I'll just specify that one. Anyways, this time, we want to create a function that will return an object, and its qualities is that it will be given these parameters a and b, and it wants you to return a property for its length as determined like this, width, perimeter, area. You see the descriptions or the rules for those values that you assign to those qualities or characteristics. Now, for example, you'll be given a and b like this below, 4 and 5, and it should be outputted like this. Feel free to look at this problem itself to understand what it means. There's some good resources on how to use objects or how to create them. This is probably not the only way, I believe. Actually, what do you mean this is not the only way? You didn't even know how to do this, and I'll show you how. So you give an a and b right here. And I guess the first thing we want to do is define one for the length and width. It's so simple, it's just a and b. To do that, you have to, if I want to return an object, I would do return. And this is the syntax for JavaScript. You have to return these curly brackets inside it. I'll map or connect the qualities to what you want those values to be. In this case, length is going to be just a and width is just b. Unless I switched it around, let's confirm. Length is a, width is b. I think I did that right. And perimeter and area, those are the formulas. I think that's pretty easy. So perimeter is going to be equal to 2 times a plus b. In other words, I'm calculating all the sides. And area is going to be area times width, like that. Now let's run this. Sweet. Let's submit it. Boom. Alright guys, I hope you like my content. I hope my definition of objects is easy for you to understand. It's basically a group of qualities or behaviors. Yeah guys, if you need help with anything, let me know in the comments or put any questions below if this doesn't make any sense. I'm trying to improve my tutorial language to make sure that it could answer any of your concerns, because I know when I was just starting this out, it's kind of like towering of what you have to work with, or you might be asking like, I don't even know where to begin. My best way to do that is just try things, and hopefully you can get it down. Like, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's so cliche, but it's cliche because it's true. Anyways guys, I wish you guys well. Good luck in your test or job.